Hey beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel. I'm The Healthy Road, and today we're talking about something that could literally transform not just how you look, but how you feel switching to non-toxic beauty products. Did you know that the average woman uses over 160 chemicals on her body every single day through skincare and makeup? And here's the shocking part, many of these chemicals haven't been tested for long-term safety. But don't worry, I've got you covered with 7 incredible non-toxic swaps that will have your skin glowing and your body thanking you. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of clean, healthy beauty together. First, let's talk about why this matters. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it absorbs up to 60% of what you put on it. Ingredients like parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances can disrupt your hormones, cause skin irritation, and even contribute to long-term health issues. Swap number 1, foundation. Traditional foundations are loaded with synthetic chemicals and heavy metals. Switch to mineral-based foundations with ingredients like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Brands like Ilia, RMS Beauty, and Tarte offer incredible coverage without the toxic load. Swap number 2, mascara. Most mascaras contain coal tar dyes and formaldehyde-releasing preservatives. Look for mascaras with natural waxes and plant-based ingredients. Honest Beauty and Thrive Cosmetics offer amazing options that won't irritate your eyes. Swap number 3, lipstick. Since we literally eat our lipstick throughout the day, this swap is crucial. Avoid lead and petroleum-based ingredients. Try brands like Bite Beauty, Axiology, or make your own with coconut oil and natural pigments. Swap number 4, moisturizer. Ditch the synthetic fragrances and petroleum derivatives. Look for moisturizers with organic oils, shea butter, and botanical extracts. Brands like Weleda, Dr. Hauschka, and Drunk Elephant offer incredible hydration naturally. Swap number 5, cleanser. Harsh sulfates strip your skin's natural barrier. Switch to gentle, plant-based cleansers with ingredients like coconut-derived surfactants and natural oils. CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser and Cetaphil's Gentle options are dermatologist recommended. Swap number 6, deodorant. Aluminum-based antiperspirants can clog your lymph nodes. Natural deodorants with baking soda, coconut oil, and essential oils keep you fresh without the health risks. Native, Schmidt's, and Primal Pit Paste are game changers. Swap number 7, sunscreen. Chemical sunscreens can hormone disrupt and harm coral reefs. Mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide and titanium dioxide provide excellent protection naturally. Blue Lizard, Badger, and Think Baby are fantastic options. Bonus tips: always read ingredient labels. Look for certifications like USDA Organic, Leaping Bunny, or EWG Verified. Start with one swap at a time. You don't need to overhaul everything at once. Remember that natural doesn't always mean better. Research is key. Your skin might need time to adjust, so be patient with the transition. And there you have it, beautiful. 7 simple swaps that can transform your beauty routine and your health. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Start with 1 or 2 products that you use most frequently, and gradually build your non-toxic beauty arsenal. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy beauty tips. Drop a comment below and let me know which swap you're most excited to try. I love hearing from you. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description box for all the products I mentioned today. I've done the research for you, so you can shop with confidence. Until next time, keep glowing naturally, and remember, true beauty comes from taking care of yourself in every way possible. See you in the next video.